Meaning of DOI.
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 DOI. DOI stands for Digital Object Identifier, which is a unique alphanumeric identifier assigned to digital documents, such as articles and reports, to provide a persistent link to their location on the Internet. The purpose of DOI is to ensure that digital documents are easily accessible and remain permanently available, even if the location or format changes over time. This system is widely used in academia and research to facilitate the citation and tracking of scholarly works. In short, DOI is an important tool for managing and preserving digital information in today's digital age.